Cheese Buldak!
Today I'm gonna show you how to do cheese Buldak at home. Let's get started.
2 pounds chicken breast. Half cup hot pepper flakes. 2 tablespoons of Korean hot pepper paste.
What I used is called CHU JANG. You can find that in your local Asian markets or Amazon. For the recipes and details of what I use, please check the description.
1 tablespoon soy sauce. Half tablespoon pepper. 6 garlic cloves and 2 teaspoons ginger chopped. 1/3 cup of maple syrup.
You can also use rice syrup or honey.
2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Mix them together.
Make sure every pieces of chicken coated with sauce.
We're gonna fry some rice cakes first.
Make sure to separate the rice cakes if they stick together.
Slightly golden brown like this. This is perfect. So put this pan aside. Now let's cook some chicken. So this is the pot that I'm gonna use for cooking the Buldak and the rice cakes. And after cooking them, I'm gonna put this in the oven to broil. Wow, it's already smelling so good. Still have all this sauce. You know, I don't want to waste it. And I'm gonna put 1/4 cup of water. Okay. And then I'm gonna put all this inside. Be careful, you don't want to overcook the chicken. So normally I would put this on the top to cover it, let it steam, and also put it medium to low heat and just let it cook for around 8 minutes. Now you put the rice in and give it a nice stir. Wow, I smell it. It smells so good. Okay, now you want lower the heat and cook it for 10 more minutes. Hey guys. So later I'm gonna sprinkle those mozzarella cheese on top of the Buldak and put it in the oven for broil. So make it cheese Buldak. Broil on high for a couple minutes. And then you sprinkle some onions on top.
You can also sprinkle some white toasted sesame if you like. What a beautiful color. Let's get a closer look.
You can eat just like this, but I like to eat this with some actual cheese and spice. This is what I'm gonna use. Carbo Buldak sauce. Wow, so cheesy.
You can just put a little bit sauce on that. That's it. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe for more easy recipes. Alright guys, gotta go and eat now.